Hello everyone and welcome to Spunky Girl Paper Co. Today I'm going to be doing a monthly plan with me for April 2018. I have printed off some printable planner stickers just because they're cheaper and planning is an expensive hobby. So I printed off this wonderful April monthly kit that totally reminds me of Beatrix Potter. This kit is from Katkacreaplanner. I can't really pronounce it, but I will both write it down below and link her shop in the description. So I am going to start off by actually laying down my header. Now, my silhouette machine actually totally cut through all of the paper on the first sheet of stickers, so those ones might take a little longer to set down. But the good news is that I've kind of figured out my silhouette machine, I think, which is good because I was having a lot of trouble with it. But I think I've got it now. So if you guys want to see a maybe tips and tricks for the silhouette cameo video, let me know and I will see what I can put together, because I definitely was baffled for more than a year. I've had that thing for more than a year and I very rarely use it because it just didn't work for the longest time. I couldn't figure it out, but I stuck with it today and persevered. My planner, by the way, is a Recollections vertical planner. So some of these stickers may not fit exactly in the layout because they're made for an Erin Condren planner. But I just realized that I don't actually use my planner every week, so it didn't make a whole lot of sense to get the most expensive planner. You may notice I already actually have a sticker down. This was just something I pre-planned a couple months ago, and the sticker kind of went with this kit, so I just left it. So next, I think I'm going to start building up my sidebar here with the sidebar stickers. Sorry, excuse my weird reach. I'm actually working around the third leg of my tripod. So if it seems like I'm coming at things from a weird angle, that's why. Okay, and the kit also comes with some headings for these, and I'd like to match up the colors if possible, although there's only 2 pink, but I think those 2 will actually work. So I'm going to use the first to do here. And then I think I'll go with goals. I think I'll use that for my YouTube goals for the month. And then I'm gonna go with important. And then I'm gonna do this month, and that will be the videos that I want to upload this month. Next, I think I'm going to set down this longer sheet sticker down here after the month is over. Unfortunately, it is not cut up, so I really want to get this bicycle in, so I think I'm going to put this edge down and get the bicycle in. Pull out my cutter bee scissors and just trim this as best I can. Now, because I pretty much destroyed that one, I'm going to come over to actually this other piece of paper that is just computer paper that I printed out the first sheet on so that I could show you, even though my sticker sheet was completely destroyed. And I'm actually going to just cut the other half of the sticker out of that, and I'll just glue it down. Now, when you're using computer paper with art glitter glue, you do want to be very light-handed. Probably a little lighter handed than I just was. And you're just gonna stick that down. No one will ever know the difference. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and place these decorative full boxes just kind of randomly around. Now, I'm going to turn on some music and put my date covers down because none of them came off of that sheet of paper correctly, and it's going to take me a while. So I'll see you in a minute. Next, I'm going to put down my paydays. I get paid every other Friday. So we'll just... Now I'm going to put down my bill due stickers. I have a dentist appointment on the 6th. So I'm just going to use this little flag and this medical sticker. I will be out of town for the first 2 days of the month, so I'm going to use one of the long, thin strip stickers. And I'm actually just going to put that along the top edge here to show that I'm going to be out of town. And I'm also going to use one of the airplane stickers. I know that I like to try to go work out with a friend on Mondays and Wednesdays, so I have 3 workout stickers. So I'm going to just line up some flags here on Wednesday. I'm just going to put down one of these exercise icon stickers at the top of each of those day columns because I don't have enough to go all the way down on each day. I'm going to place my planner time sticker up in the Saturday column to note that every Saturday I want to film a plan with me video. And then I'm going to just stick some of this deco down, cover up that other edge of the bike. I know Mondays I need a good burst of coffee, so I'll put coffee time in the Monday column. And I think that's all I have so far. I'm going to go ahead and fill in what I can and show you when I'm done. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. Make sure to like up this video if you enjoyed what you saw, and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and be sure to leave me a comment down below to let me know what you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye!